Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Monata Records. On this YouTube channel, we are going to be learning how to translate Swahili words to Tagalog and vice versa. This will help some Tanzanian and other Swahili speaking nationalities just here in Philippines so that their stay here in Philippines will be easier and also the language barrier will be broken. Please don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell and like and also comment. Let's go and find out more about this in this channel. So today we're going to be translating Tagalog words to Swahili so that it can help for the Filipino individuals understand more about Swahili and Swahili speaking individuals here in Philippines understand more about Tagalog. So let's go and see. The first one, we're going to be using words. These are the common words used in Philippines that can be translated in Swahili. The first one is kamusta. Kamusta can be translated in Swahili as habari. This one is a common Tagalog word which is used as a greeting. In English, it's hello. And the next one is ako. Ako and ikaw. Ako means me in English, and in Swahili is me. And also ikaw in English is you, and in Swahili is wewe. So these are the two common words that are used also as addressing people, me or you. So in ako in Swahili is mimi, and ikaw in Swahili is wewe. And also in plural form there is kami and kayo. Kami is sisi. You can see there is a difference. Ako is mimi and kami is sisi. And also in ikaw is wewe and kayo is nyie. That's the plural of ako and ikaw, kami and kayo. And also, we also have the times of the day, which one there is umaga, hapon, and gabi. Umaga in Swahili is asubuhi, which means morning in English. Hapon in Swahili is mchana. In English, that's afternoon. So hapon is mchana and gabi is usiku in Swahili. And also kahapon. Kahapon is yesterday. Yesterday in Swahili is jana. Jana. You can just say jana. And also, as we continue, there is a lot more words like ano. Ano what? In my country is nini. Nini. N-I-N-I. Nini. And also there is sino. Who. Sino who. In Swahili can be translated as nani. Sino who. In Swahili is nani. And also bakit. Bakit is why. Why in Swahili is kwa nini. Why? Kwa nini. And also there is pogi or guapo. In Swahili is mtanashati. That's the Swahili words of pogi or guapo. And also there is maganda. This is also for those maganda Filipinas out there. In Swahili, you can be using it as mrembo. Also, you can call yourself mrembo. It's the same way in Tagalog, which is maganda. And also there is masaya, happy. Like now I'm masaya. You can just say nina furaha. Happy. Masaya is furaha. And also there is malungkot, sad. Malungkot is sad. In Swahili is huzuni. And also there is tubig and dagat. Tubig is maji. Tubig is actually water. In Swahili is maji. And dagat is sea, which can be translated in Swahili as bahari. So next, we're going for the sentences as the common sentences that are being used in, like, if someone wants to know you in Philippines, the most fluent question is ano ang pangalan mo, which means what's your name. You can also use it for those Filipinos who wants to understand Swahili. You can also use it as unaitwa nani, so that if you just say this to a Swahili speaking person, they will understand you. Unaitwa nani. And also there is Ako si Paul Monata. I am Paul Monata. In Swahili is Mimi ni Paul Monata. So if you are just trying to introduce yourself to a Swahili speaker and you want them to know that you know a bit of Swahili, you can just be saying Mimi ni and then you add your name so that they will be understanding what you're saying. The next one is Magandang Umaga. This is actually good morning. In Swahili is habari za asubuhi. If you see someone and it's morning and he's speaking Swahili, you can just tell him habari za asubuhi. He will understand you're just saying good morning in Swahili. The next one is magandang hapon, which is habari za mchana. In magandang hapon in English is good afternoon. So as I showed you in the words area, umaga means morning, hapon means afternoon, and gabi means evening. Which one in English? In Swahili is umaga, asubuhi, hapon, mchana, and gabi, usiku. So the next one will be magandang gabi. In Swahili is habari za usiku. That's magandang gabi. Or if you're just trying to say good night, as like good night before someone sleep, you can just say usiku mwema. Those also is for magandang gabi. Habari za usiku. If you meet someone or if you're just saying someone good night for you to sleep, you can just say usiku mwema. The next one is kamusta kana. As I said, in the word was just kamusta, which means hello. This kamusta kana is like how are you? In Swahili is habari gani. You see, and also you can ask someone kumain kana. Kumain kana is when you're asking someone if that person has eaten. In Swahili, you can just say it as ye umekula, so that they can understand what you're asking. The next one, there is Sanka Nakatira, which means where do you live? This one is easier in Swahili. You can just say unaishi wapi, so that if you want to know the address of that person, you can just ask them unaishi wapi. They will understand what you're saying. And the next one is Tagasanka. Where are you from? This also is one of the most common phrases used in Philippines when you're new to them. They'll be asking you, Tagasanka. In Swahili, you can be asking people, umetokea wapi? So that they can understand also for those Swahili speaking who have hard time adjusting to Tagalog. The another one is Saan ka pupunta? Where are you going? This one you ask people. For example, you see someone walking, you will just be asking him in Tagalog, Saan ka pupunta? It's like, where are you going? In Swahili is unaenda wapi? Like that's the Swahili of Saan ka pupunta. And the next one is pogi ako. Like for example, me, I'm pogi. Pogi in English is handsome. So when I'm saying handsome, I can also say it in my language or Swahili as mimi ni mtanashati. It's the same as I am pogi. And also for the girls, when I say maganda ka or you are beautiful, I can also maybe someday we just meet and then you hear someone say wewe ni mrembo. In Swahili, it actually means the same thing. Like maganda ka in Swahili is wewe ni mrembo. And the next one is ako ay masaya. I am happy. In Swahili is also short. You can just say nina furaha. For example, someone did something to you and so that it made you happy, you can just tell them in Swahili as nina furaha. And also there is sinoka. Who are you? And ano ito. Sinoka is like who are you? Who are you is like wewe ni nani in Swahili. And ano ito is like what is this? What is this? In Swahili it's hiki ni nini. It's like we're asking someone in Tagalog, ano ito? What's this? In Swahili you can just ask them as hiki ni nini. And also that's the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And also I will start posting more videos more often so that you can understand more the Swahili language. And also for those Swahili speaking countries, this one will help you also adjust to the daily Filipino language so that it will be able for you to break the language barrier. Thank you very much and stay safe. Keep tuned. Bye.